You know that sickening click-click silence when you turn the key and your car just sits there dead? Yeah, that one. Your battery is engineered to last at least 8 years, sometimes longer. Yet 70% of cars on the road today are running on batteries that die way before their time, thanks to low-quality construction or the kind of everyday misuse most drivers never see coming. Stick with me and I'll make sure you never get caught out again. In this video, I'm laying out 5 car battery brands and lines you should avoid at all costs, 7 that routinely deliver 5+ years of rock-solid service, and at the very end, I'll reveal the single mistake that destroys even the best batteries, no matter how much you paid for them. Let's start with the ones that will leave you stranded. Number 5. Budget store brands. These are the generic, no-name, or house brand batteries sitting on the bottom shelf with the tempting low price tag. The dirty little secret? Most of them are white label jobs from the same handful of factories. Today they wear one store's sticker, tomorrow another. Inside, you're usually getting skimpy lead plates, low reserve capacity, and weak cold cranking amps that barely meet the bare minimum. They might fire the engine on day one, but in real-world heat, especially the kind we deal with in hot climates, they sulfate fast and quit in under 2 years, sometimes less. Meanwhile, properly engineered batteries that score in the high 80s and 90s on independent life cycle and reserve capacity tests keep cranking strong year after year. With these budget ones, you're literally gambling every single time you buy. One might limp to 24 months, the next buys at 8, and when you're stuck in the parking lot at 6 a.m., that bargain suddenly costs you a tow, lost time, and a whole lot of aggravation. Ever been burned by one of these? Tell me in the comments, I read every single one. Number 4. EverStart Value Line. Walk into Walmart, spot the EverStart name, and most people assume they're all the same. Huge mistake. The value line is the absolute bottom tier, built for old cars with almost no electronics and very light use. Today's vehicles are electrical vampires. Even with the engine off, the infotainment, sensors, cameras, and modules are quietly pulling power. The value line wasn't designed for that constant drain, so it gets pulled down deeper than it should, struggles to recharge fully, and loses capacity faster than you expect. On top of that, the simpler internal materials hate heat and vibration, 2 things every daily driver deals with. I've pulled dozens of these that tested weak after just 2 hot seasons. Contrast that with the same brand's higher tier Platinum AGM models that use thicker plates and far better construction. The brand itself isn't the problem. Picking the wrong tier for your actual car is. Always check the specific model number and the warranty length before you hand over your cash. Number 3. Older diehard models. This one stings because the diehard name used to mean buy it once and forget it. After Sears sold the brand, quality got inconsistent fast, especially in the older red and gold flooded lines and the pre-AGM versions you still see floating around. They look solid on the shelf and the name still carries weight, but inside they're using yesterday's technology that hates heat, vibration, and deep discharges modern stop-and-go driving creates. Instead of the 4 to 5 years you expect, you start getting slow cranks and weak mornings a lot sooner. Newer Platinum AGM models have cleaned up their act and now score very well in independent testing, but the older lines are where the complaints pile up. Lesson? Never buy on nostalgia alone. Read the exact model, confirm it's AGM if your car needs it, and check the warranty. Know exactly what version you're bolting in. Number 2. Some Exide batteries. Exide has been around forever, so you still hear the old advice, just grab an Exide. That advice is dangerous because Exide makes everything from solid premium units down to basic flooded batteries built for quick, cheap roadside swaps. Those entry-level ones are the ones you'll find in small shops when your car won't start and you just want something now. They're affordable and easy to install, but they're not engineered for the constant power demands of modern electronics. After the first year, many drivers notice the cranking gets slower on random mornings, the battery feels unpredictable, and capacity drops faster than it should. Compare that to their stronger lines that actually hold up, and you see the difference is night and day. The low-end ones are built for convenience, not longevity. That's exactly why they keep landing near the top of every avoid list I make. If you're finding this video helpful so far, do me a quick favor. Smash that like button, share it with a friend who's always complaining about dead batteries, and subscribe so you never miss the next money-saving tip. Number 1. Cheap, no-name batteries. These are the absolute bottom of the barrel. No real brand, no traceable factory, no meaningful warranty, usually sold in tiny roadside shops or sketchy online listings. They promise just like the big brands for half the price. They lie. Known brands follow strict quality standards, run real lab tests, and stand behind their product. No-name batteries skip all that. What you get is inconsistent build quality, false CCA claims on the label, and materials that wear out fast. The engine cranks hard in the morning, the warranty is either 30 days or good luck, and you end up replacing it again in 6 to 12 months. I've seen guys spend less upfront and end up spending 3 times as much over 2 years chasing the same problem. This isn't saving money, it's buying a headache on repeat. Now that you've seen the worst offenders, let's switch gears. Here are the 7 battery brands that actually last 5+ years. Number 7. EverStart Max. Earlier, we talked about the EverStart value line you should avoid. Now let's talk about the one from the same family that's actually worth your money. The Max is the solid mid to high tier you'll find at Walmart, and for millions of everyday drivers, it's become the go-to battery they keep rebuying. These pack 700 to 850 CCA on many models, a 3-year free replacement warranty, and internals that handle real daily life. Short trips, electronics, heat, and vibration far better than the bottom tier stuff. They recover faster after each start and hold a charge longer when the car sits for a couple of days. I've had customers swear they got 8 years out of theirs, and plenty more report 5+ years across multiple vehicles. It's not the absolute fanciest battery on the shelf, but it's honest, dependable, and proven. Speaking of unlocking even more life from any battery, there's one simple thing every good mechanic does to batteries that most drivers never hear about. I showed exactly what it is in the video I linked above. Check it out if you want to make whatever battery you choose last even longer. Number 6. ACDelco Gold or Professional. These aren't just another aftermarket brand. They're tied straight to General Motors and built to the same standards many factory batteries leave the assembly line with. The Gold and Professional lines sit in that perfect sweet spot, not the cheapest, not overpriced, but extremely well-balanced for real-world use. Stable power delivery, strong internal construction, and consistent performance whether you're in scorching heat or freezing mornings. If you own a Chevy, GMC, Cadillac, Dodge, Ram, Jeep, or even a lot of European cars that cross over, the ACDelco 49 AGM is worth a serious look. It's designed from the start for high electrical demand vehicles, so it never feels overworked. You install it, it fits perfectly, and it just keeps working year after year without drama. Number 5. Bosch batteries. Bosch doesn't get the loud hype some brands do, but they quietly deliver one thing better than almost anyone: precision engineering that translates into steady, drama-free performance. These batteries don't give you random weak mornings or sudden drops after a year. The plate design, vibration resistance, and controlled power output keep everything consistent even on rough roads or in heavy traffic. European car owners, BMW, Audi, VW, especially love them because the electrical system was basically designed with this level of quality in mind. You put a Bosch in and you stop worrying about the battery. It just does its job, quietly, for years. Number 4. Interstate Batteries. Interstate built their reputation on one simple promise: reliable, consistent power you can count on every single morning. The MTX47/H5 AGM has scored as high as 91 in independent testing for life and cold weather performance. That's not marketing talk, that's lab proof. These are excellent for trucks, SUVs, and any vehicle loaded with electronics. They shrug off vibration and heat better than most, and the nationwide availability means you're never stuck if you need a replacement. Drivers routinely report 5 to 7 years with the AGM models, and that kind of real-world track record is exactly why Interstate keeps showing up on every buy this list. Number 3. Dieard Platinum AGM. The Dieard brand has turned things around in a big way with the Platinum AGM line. Take the Platinum AGM H5 we mentioned earlier. It scored 91 in the same independent tests, proving excellent durability, strong cranking power, and rock-solid reserve capacity. AGM technology means it resists vibration, handles deep discharges better, and keeps delivering full power even after the car sits for days or in extreme weather. Perfect for SUVs, trucks, or any modern car with lots of electronics. You install one and you stop thinking about your battery for years. That's the kind of peace of mind you want. Number 2. Odyssey batteries. Let me be straight with you. Odyssey doesn't just talk durability, it proves it. The Performance AGM 94 RH7 scored 94 in independent testing, one of the highest marks out there. Thicker plates, tougher internal design, and true AGM construction let it handle deep cycling and heavy electrical loads without losing lifespan. Trucks, SUVs, winch-equipped rigs, or cars with big audio systems love these because they keep going when other batteries quit. Real drivers routinely see 5 to 8 years with almost zero issues. It's premium, yes, but it actually delivers the longevity it promises. Number 1. Optima red top or yellow top. Optima sits at the very top for a reason. Their spiral cell technology is completely different from traditional flat plate batteries, giving insane vibration resistance and the ability to take abuse that would kill anything else. Red top for pure high cranking power on big engines. Yellow top when you need deep cycle performance for winches, massive stereos, or accessories that drain the battery hard. Either way, these things laugh at heat, cold, and rough roads. Plenty of owners report 5 to 10 years of trouble-free service. If you want a battery you install once and basically forget about, Optima red or yellow top is the one most serious drivers trust when vibration and heavy use are part of the equation. And, like I promised you earlier, here are the mistakes that kill any battery. Number 1. Leaving your car unused for long periods. When a car sits for weeks or months, the battery slowly self-discharges. Sulfation builds up on the plates and permanent damage starts. Even premium Odyssey or Optima batteries will suffer if they sit stone dead for too long. A simple trickle charger or battery tender changes everything. Number 2. Bad alternator. If your alternator isn't charging at the right voltage, the battery is either being overworked or chronically undercharged. That stress kills batteries fast, no matter how good the brand is. Always test the charging system before blaming the battery. Number 3. Corroded terminals. Even the highest rated battery will struggle to deliver power if the terminals are covered in white or green corrosion. It blocks current like a clogged artery. Clean them every 6 months with a wire brush and dielectric grease, and you'll prevent a ton of mystery no starts. Number 4. Short trips only. Driving only 5 to 10 minutes at a time never lets the alternator fully recharge the battery. Over months and years, the battery slowly loses capacity until one cold morning it just gives up. Even the best EverStart Max or ACDelco will weaken if it never gets a proper full charge cycle. Even the best battery on the market can die unexpectedly if you're making one simple mistake every single day. Mechanics see it constantly, but most drivers have no idea it's happening. I put together a quick video that shows exactly what that hidden killer is and the 2-minute fix every pro uses. Click the link below right now so you never get stranded again. Thanks for watching. Drop your current battery brand in the comments, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.